Tommy, watch out for the police. Watch out for the police. Where's Mommy? Can you come over here? You should go in the blue one. The blue one's fun.
You have to wait for Christian to Aaron to be done.
Look at you. You're a big boy now. Are you walking? Thomas, chasing Mommy.
Because you want stuff, Gianna. It doesn't work that way.
Here come the police, Thomas. Here come the police.
We're going to get you.
Did you give the baby a ticket?
Yep.
You got a ticket, Tommy?
Hey, you got a cute bracelet.
Necklace.
Necklace, thank you. That's very nice of you. Tommy, where's Mama? She's right here. Did you get a ticket for going too fast? Oh no, Mommy gonna spin you around. Mommy gonna spin you around. Watch out for the police car, don't run into him.